So we're going to talk about wetlands. Anybody know what wetlands are? You've seen wetlands? Everybody understands it? Hands up. If you don't.
Yeah, I'm John Buchko. I'm a principal at EDS Group, Landscape Architects, and we're a proud partner with Qualico. We've been working with you guys for about 2 decades now, so many years of helping with parks and open space design.
Plants that we're looking for when we go out there today, you're not just going to see them necessarily on the edges. Sometimes they're further into the water.
You know, this is a learning session. We're working with some students to teach them about their surroundings. Sage Creek is a fantastic community built by Qualico that has diverse wetlands used as stormwater management. So we're here today to teach kids about the difference between marshes, fens, bogs, wetlands, how they develop over time. We're then going to go outside, play in the wetlands. We're going to take some soil samples. We're going to look at some water. We're going to count plants, look at biodiversity, just again to teach kids about the wetlands that are surrounding them in their community.